In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview a Lovable app. We'll keep this simple and focused on the editor so you can see your work exactly as your users will experience it. To begin, open your project. As the editor loads, you'll notice that the workspace is divided into your chat or code area, and right beside it, the preview panel. This panel is the live window into your app. It usually appears automatically and initializes within a moment, showing a real-time rendering of the current state of your project. Think of the preview panel as your instant feedback loop. It mirrors the structure, styles, and interactions defined in your project so you can visually confirm that components sit where you expect them, text reads cleanly, and colors and spacing feel right. Because it sits next to the chat or editor, you can glance back and forth without breaking your flow, making review a natural part of building rather than a separate task. One of the biggest advantages here is that any changes generated by Lovable update the preview automatically. When Lovable proposes an adjustment, whether it's refining a layout, updating a component, or tweaking logic, the panel refreshes to reflect that change. There's no need to trigger a manual rebuild or press a reload button. You simply continue working and the preview keeps pace. You might see a quick loading state as it re-renders, and then the app view snaps to the latest version. As you work, keep your eyes on the preview to validate intent. If a heading wraps in a way you didn't plan or a button looks cramped, you'll catch it right away. This immediate visibility helps you make informed decisions earlier, reducing rework later. It's also a great way to sanity check navigation flows and screen transitions, since you can observe how screens hand off to each other in real time. If the panel is still initializing, give it a second to complete. The editor prioritizes keeping the preview in sync, so brief moments of updating are normal, especially after larger changes. Once it settles, you're looking at the most current state of your app. That's all there is to previewing your Lovable app inside the editor. Open your project, find the preview panel beside the chat or editor, and rely on Lovable's automatic updates to keep the view accurate. With this setup, reviewing your app becomes effortless, letting you build with confidence and speed.